Hi, Jack Bennett here. Welcome to the lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to play those rolls that I was just playing then on the hi-hat, which was a 7-stroke double stroke roll. Okay, so this is one of the double stroke rudiments. And you can either start it with the roll or you can start it with the accent. I'm going to start it with the accent in this case because that's how I'm going to use it in this particular beat. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a right hand and then a left, left, right, right, left, left. Now think of the hand change in terms of your rights and your lefts as dead even 16th notes. So it's like you're going 1, E, and and every number, 1, 2, 3, 4, is an accent. Everything else is really low, non-accent. 1, E, and 2, E, and Okay, then from there, you just double up the non-accents with double strokes twice as fast. So this 1, E, and 2 would become 1, E, and 2. Okay? 1, E, and 2. Right? That's the way that we're using it. Okay? It's just the same. If you watch my actual wrist, it's just the same as going 1, E, and 2, E, and It's just that the fingers are snapping out a second stroke per hand change. So this becomes... But my wrists are actually moving at the same rate if you have a look at it. All right, so the first way that we're going to use that is we're going to play an alternating 16th note beat on the hi-hat with a snare on 2 and 4 with the right hand. So 1, E, and 2, E, and 3, E, and 4. And then after beat 4, where we'd normally just go 4, E, and 1, we're now going to throw in that 7-stroke roll and go 4, E, and E, and Just play. It's easier than counting it. All right. So 4, E, and 1. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Check out the on-screen notation. Now, the way that I just did then is going to be doing a 7-stroke roll before a snare drum. The last way we did it was after a snare drum, 4, E, and Now we'll do it 1, E, and leading onto a snare. Okay, so we now start with the bass drum, 1, then we do the roll, E, and 2, E, and You can do the same thing on 3. It's the same thing. It's a 2-beat exercise at this point. 1, E, and 2, E, and 3, E, and 4, E, and sorry. And eventually you can just do it on all of them. All right, so that's a funky little thing to learn how to do. Now, you've got to have a rudimental double stroke roll. Don't be using the bounce thing of going, that doesn't work. You've got to hear the clarity of all of the notes and don't be buzzing either. Don't go. It's not a buzz roll. It's a military double stroke roll. It's an open roll. You can hear each hand is only doing exactly and only 2 notes. And the second one is as loud as the first. It's not... stroke and then bounce. It's not... That one doesn't work because the first one's louder than the second with each hand, and that doesn't make it even. So that's using 30-second note rolls as a 7-stroke roll on the hi-hat within a rock beat.